Elken Global Network business actually is just a duplication business. Yes, it's just copy and paste. That means that whatever that we do, our downline will just copy us. So you imagine one thing, if today you are always sleeping at home and doing nothing on the business, your downline will also sleeping at home and doing nothing. See, so if you are active in social media, you are active in sharing our products, you're active in sharing our Elken opportunity, then your downline or your business partner or your brand ambassador will do the same thing. They will also share the thing. Okay, so Elken business is a very easy one. You just copy and paste whatever your upline is doing. Okay, now you ask yourself one thing: if today you have 500 downline and you recruited 500 people, and these 500 people is exactly like you. It's exactly like you. So they just duplicate what you do. So are you happy with all these things that you are doing? Are you happy? Are you happy with 500 of you in your network? So if you are not happy, then you make sure that you always do the right thing to develop your network. So in LV Group, we always teach our people to do the right thing. Okay, do the right thing, do the right action, and duplicate yourself. Okay, duplicate yourself. You make sure you are good enough to develop the network business. Okay, it's very, very easy. If you're lost, you continue to watch the video that I attached here with. So remember one thing. Ask yourself one thing: if you duplicate 500 people like you, is it okay or not? So if you're hardworking and you're developing a business, then it's very good. But if you are type of person who are lazy, who don't do much thing, who don't do action, and you don't learn from your upline, then I believe you will having a big problem. See, so don't copy the person like this, always disturbing me and always disturbing me when I'm doing the video here. So don't duplicate like him. So duplicate a person like me. Okay, so I see you, and remember to watch the video that are below here. Okay, thank you.